Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Nika, and today I am going to unbox my LG machine that I bought. And I also have a stand here for the machine that I'm going to unbox, so that we unbox together and try lifting the machine so that we can see if we are able to do it, because the machine is too heavy. I'm telling you, this thing is of quality. To show you, this is how you power it on, and voila, it is on. It is a ThinQ 12kg LG machine, and it has a 2-year warranty. So it has cotton, eco, and the turbo wash, mixed fabric, easy care, silent wash. This is, some machines are too noisy, but for this particular machine, if you want to wash your clothes, you can just wash them silently without too much noise. Okay, and then it also has allergy care and smart diagnosis. So this means that when your machine spoils or you want to program it, you can just program it on your mobile phone, so you don't have to come here and do it manually. On this other side, I have delicates, and the temperatures just preset themselves, and the spin also times itself. Then I have wool, I have sportswear, duvets, tab clean, and download cycle. I think that particular download cycle is for when you are done with washing your clothes. Then you can put the download cycle. And then I have steam cleaning, wrinkle care, turbo wash. This is for rinsing. Then can put on beep or put it off. Then pre-wash. Then I have delayed end, whereby I can use this. You see, it has Wi-Fi, so I can connect it to my Wi-Fi. And then during the wash, I can add or remove an item. And then on top of that, I have child lock inverter here, and it is a 10-year warranty machine. Guys, since I treasure my machine so much, I wouldn't want my machine to rust or spoil or just anything happening to it. So together with me, I bought a deep cleaning formula, and I'll be using this formula like twice in 6 months. So for this formula, there are tablets and they are antibacterial. So they are for all washing machines. Even if you have other kinds of machines like Von or Mika or whatever brand, you can use the cleaning tablets to clean inside your machine. So you just put one tablet inside with water, and then you let it wash. Then later you open the outlet and water flows out. So this is so important because it cleans that inside your machine. You don't want your clothes to come out dirty, so use this. Voila, who doesn't love unboxing new things? Now, this is how it looks. So with this bigger part, we have to figure out how these things are gonna work. Guys, are we gonna manage? Because I am not an art student. I am not a scientist, and I'm not an engineer. So let's see if you're gonna fix this or not, because all the parts are independent at this point. See? I have all this that I need to assemble. You see? These are screws. This is my screwdriver. Then I have these metals. I don't know what they are for, but we shall find out. And it's supposed to look like this at the end of it all. Some more screws. What is this meant to do? Oh, it feels so good. It's on right now. So this is where you hold to start. Okay. Here is where you put your detergents. If you have a liquid wash, you put over here, and any other detergent like softener can be put here. So it is just easy. You pull it out like that. Okay. So guys, this is it. My LG washing machine on its stand. This is how it looks. It is a beautiful machine, don't you think so? Let me close it. So next we are going to put this machine on a stand. So together with the machine I have this, and you put your small things like socks, bras, panties, and all that inside these mesh bags, because you don't want your socks to get lost inside the machine, so you use this mesh bag. So let's just open the mesh bag and see. So this is the smallest mesh bag. There are 6 in number. I had an option of picking 8 of them, but for a start I bought these ones. So they come in different sizes, and they are so handy. So we'll be using them together. So this hammer first.